Yo. This is Chef Ricardo from One Love Africa TV. And this is
Jam Tours Africa.
Alright, so we're here. And that discussion that we have is a topic that's going on. People been contacting me, asking me what I think about the Vybez Kartel case, the trial. I don't know if people be reaching out to you, but people be reaching out to me a lot. So,
well, you know, the reason for that is because you're in the music industry.
Yeah, because that's one reason I'm in the music industry, and the other reason is we're Jamaicans. So people here always pull up, like Kenyans and people from Uganda and other places always saying that, yo, what's up with Vybez Kartel? Is he going to be free? Like, they always think that I have the answers.
Yo, that's so true, right? Because someday you go somewhere and you walk somewhere and a man hear you talk and say, yo, Vybez Kartel, all kind of things. A lot of little things that
little things man ask.
Yeah, say, yo, you know, where is Vybez Kartel? Is he really in jail? And all these things.
What he did, what's going on. People been asking us a lot of questions. Especially Americans, because people from America, they know that I'm in Africa right now. But they still reach out and ask a few questions because one, as you said, I'm in the music business. And two, I'm connected with people in the music business. And three, because we're Jamaicans. So they assume that we have answers for the questions. I don't have specific answers, but I can give you my perspective.
As a Jamaican.
Based on what I'm hearing so far. Because we don't want to talk much about the case because there's some things I can say right now that can blow up the internet. And I'm not going to discuss that.
Where do you have secrets?
Yeah, man, what are my secrets? I have secrets, man. I know things. Yeah, man, I know things that we can actually say, but it'll be our next problem now. Because Vybez Kartel just, call it say he win his appeal.
Yeah, win his appeal.
Yeah, man. 15 years now, the guy lock up for. The boss lock up for 15 years. And he just take his case to the private council.
Privy Council,
yeah, in England, and he win the appeal, and a lot of speculation is going on about the corrupted judge and the people that's in Jamaica, not Jamaican people but the corrupted judge that's in Jamaica, because we all know that, if you're guilty, you're guilty, can't ask nothing about that. If you're guilty, you're guilty, and you're guilty until proven guilty, right?
Yeah.
So we don't. To be honest, Vybez Kartel are guilty. Vybez Kartel, the teacher, he never do nothing like that. You understand? He really and truly, he never do nothing like that. And because I even explain why.
So you feel saying he never do it?
I know I do it. I know. I was in Jamaica at the time, and I'm in the business. So there's stuff that we, as entertainers, we as people that's in this circle discuss that outsiders do not know. You understand? There's a lot of things that's been discussed, things that's been talked. Vybez Kartel know that, the teacher know that this was going to come to him. He wasn't fully prepared, but he was ready. Because we already know what's going to happen. Because he wasn't guilty, he wasn't running. He could have run and do whatever he wanted to do, he didn't. He stand up and say whatever happened because he knows an innocent man. You see, but R.I.P. for people who then claim to say dead. Listen, but Listen not dead either. The guy is not dead, no.
He's not dead?
He's not dead. He's not dead, but Listen is still in the Caribbean.
He's still in the Caribbean?
Still in the Caribbean. Based on the last information I got from him. Not from him directly, but around him. Yeah, man.
Yo, Smoke, that's something right there now, way.
That's something that was a certain things coming out what be a problem.
Quote of Jamaica, you pick this up right now.
The quote of Jamaica corrupt. Because right now, me even have a brother right now that's in jail. You understand? For like 1 year now.
Yeah.
Is it? I find a case that something he didn't do.
Yeah.
The guy, my brother turned in himself because his name was calling and shooting that he had nothing to do with. Everyone in the community said that he wasn't nowhere near that. But because he might have friends that go get themselves in wrongdoings, they just classify all of them as that. It's just like me now or you now. We're friends, you understand?
Yeah.
And we are the YouTube, we are cook, we are trying to make money.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And people are saying, say, birds and feather flock together. This is what these guys are doing. You see me I say? So they may not wrongdoing, but if you are the good and me are the bad. Remember, we are friends from school days. School days we were friends. And me might have the bad and you separate, but we still see each other ill because in the ghetto, in the garrison, you can't act like you're better than people. You can't be like you're more than nobody. You see, so if me and you are bridging from a long time,
you have to go uptown with that.
Uptown with that or go far out or left, you understand? Because bad as things maybe, you can separate yourself from people, but you don't have to be like antisocial. When it comes out to kind of long time bridging, even if they're doing wrongdoings, you're not going to support it or uphold with it. You take yourself away from it. But you can see in the street and say, "Oh, go and record." You're gonna say, "Yo, you're good," you know, touchdown gone, and maybe just heal and go through. But you start holding your head straight and man I call you and answer. And remember, these people are the people that they might do wrong, but they're the same one might protect you. In case anything. You understand? So, yeah, my brother get called, locked up, misdemeanor, and in a jail. I do a case right now. This year is going to be free still because evidence show that he wasn't the one that doing any shooting. It was some difference in the people in the community. But what happened is the man who did the shooting, the police them corrupt, you know. Jamaican police them corrupt, you know. Cause nothing we can talk, you know, brother. Me not talk it, you know. Nothing we can talk, me not talk it. You want them corrupt, man. They will take money from bad man. Just not all police, they have good police and you have bad police. So not all police corrupt. But some of them corrupt, you understand, they will take money from man to sink a man. So they know say this man the bad man, his name start call up a station, you know him though? They talk to him, the bad man's already somebody have go down for him. So they can say, okay then, flush out the money, like get rid of that person or lock up this person. Somebody take the fault.
So you feel like, Rica, you feel like the cartel like too popular in Jamaica.
It's been
a lot
popular.
of things, and they have to just get rid of him. They have to just put
you know,
find a pin something on him and make him, you know, behind bars. You think I saw it go?
Yeah, man, the cases when you pin on Vybez Kartel, I know him do it. Vybez Kartel is a dancehall hardcore guitar artist. So him in the garrison him. So what you know, people who him know or people who he might associate with might doing stuff, but him no might know about what's going on. Because an artist need protection. You understand? If you don't have protection, you die. And we all know that. Look on all the artists, the hip hop stars, from Michael Jackson, Bob Marley, come straight down, all of them, they need protection. Because even Bob Marley was shot. Because he leave his guard down and he got shot. After that, his protection have to be up, beef up his security. So Vybez Kartel might know people to keep himself safe whenever he go in places. Like to perform, you know that no one's going to be trying to kill him or whatever because society is off of him. He talk against, he speak against society. And he speak against corruption. And at one point, he was going to run for politician in Jamaica. Man, he was going to run for it in Portmore. So they can Google it and for himself. So he was going to be, he's not a man of politics. But they were trying to get him to run for politics. You understand? So, enough things Vybez Kartel know, you know. And they try that's why I just try to get him out the system. Because remember, Sting on big one night show at Jamaica. Sting. And when Vybez Kartel and Leng separate ties and separate friendship, when Vybez Kartel says not performing as Sting no more. Sting keep the 26th of December and Vybez Kartel do a show in Street Vibes Club. The same night. And just him and the Gaza artists alone pull the same amount of crowd, almost the same amount of crowd that Sting pulled. Everyone was there. But Sting did get a good turnout. But the amount of people that was at that club, is me I say, it was too packed. So they tried everything to get, it's on the internet, Vybez Kartel versus Leng. It's on the internet, you guys see for yourself. Everything's on the internet. But big up the teacher, we're not really dealings right now, you know, because teachers are funny man now. Man. Pre me, you know.
Free you like how?
You know, like.
So you see, you know him personally?
Yeah, man, me know him personal, man. Me know him personal. Like, we are that close, like how things are.
So, give me a situation then when you say, you know him close. Like, give me a scenario.
Scenario. Alright, you see, Vybez Kartel used to come at the community that me used to associate around.
Yeah.
You understand? At Kingston. Because I know some of Jamaica, I'm from Kingston. I'm from Utrecht, but I was born in Kingston. I was going to school in Kingston. Yeah. So it used to come around between Seaview, Waterhouse, Riverton, Colonel Bed.
Yeah.
But him always used to come at Riverton. You understand? I know Vybez Kartel fans big in a Riverton. It's called Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer is a Riverton artist.
Yeah.
Yes,
Seaview.
Riverton and Colonel Bed, same district. So Vybez Kartel used to come around and Vybez Kartel used to link with some man. Yeah man, a man called Renki. You understand? Used to link like around the Rush Out, have a crew at Riverton here, Rush Out crew.
Yeah.
Some set of woman them, group of women, they used to be Rush Out.
Yeah.
So Vybez Kartel used to always come down this stuff and film real done. Vybez Kartel done a woman named Bibi. R.I.P. to Bibi. Him dead right, pass off right now, you understand? A real G.
Yeah.
So Bibi used to be when I done them down there in Riverton.
Yeah.
And Vybez Kartel used to come down there and link cars. Vybez Kartel a Bibi artist.
Yeah.
He used to link. So whenever they come there, me used to dead there. He's a younger youth. And them tell me just to start off music.
Yeah.
You see it and be shy. Then shy down, was the teacher, man, look at the tall, man taller than that.
Ouch!
You know, I look up at the man have him thing at my face and roll it in weird. No, man, it fit it like a cap.
Snapback.
Yeah. And the man in my face and my brought in weed and thing, you understand? Long time I tell about it, man. It's after the clash with Sprague and them man, I tell about it.
Assassin.
Yeah, after the clash,
Yeah.
You know, brought in weed, them always a bill and sometimes we do a little freestyle food for the youths in the corner, you know?
Yeah.
And they will say, they must say, yo, Kartel. Yo, I'm a DJ, you know?
Yeah. You said that?
No, they might pipe on me as a DJ. My artists, they must say, hey, run something rude boy, you see? Chat something here there.
So where you chat on that day? Where you chat on that day?
Yo, I never sang when I say, yo, little youth I tell about still, little youth. I say, yo, we don't part. Then tell you a Black Chinese song. With Elephant Man, Black Chinese with the drama. No. Anyone who know Black Chinese run the place same time there. So I remix and I say, we don't war over house and car. When we bust when we bust gun, we bust bigger than SLR. Yo, teacher, no, I'm saying, yo, Kartel, let me tell you about the pussy, the girls who love me. Yo, you know, I'm talking to the dog. Yo, the thing bad.
So when you said here?
Yo, the man say, yo, pop. Man, bust some blank in the dog. The man supposed to blow some blank and say, yo, just go on do your thing, man. You understand? So you get big, man, I sign you.
Yeah.
Nothing say, you know. I say, go on do your thing, master your craft. When they get big, man, I sign you. You see me, I say, just go on to get them and do your thing.
Yeah.
So, feel good, so from that, the motivation build up in me now.
Yeah.
See, you alright then? Vybez Kartel say that. That means I'm so bounty killer.
Yeah.
You understand? But me never get to bounty killer till long after.
Yeah.
Long after. I'm get big now, I'm start link with some sort of man named Flex Records.
Oh, Flex, yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Not Flex himself, you know. Flex.
Flex.
Yeah, Mr. on the money too, you know. I'm tell you how it go now. Me used to learn a sort of man named Flex Records, a crew in a Riverton now. Yeah man, Clanny and Chris and Beedy my brother. Named King Buff. Yeah man. Buff him name but him artist name a King Buff. Very talented in creating for the dance that Beedy man do. For the dance them and the song them. Yeah, we did in the studio, we do that and care give Beedy man. Even the song I say, young star for life, bad in the bumbo clot. And my song that is it. Is it, and my song
that. Who
that.
sing that song?
Beedy man sing it back over. My song that, literally my song that.
Literally your song, my.
But there's my song that King Buff bring it to Beedy Man, because Beedy Man and move out in a clash, but we are alliance artists. So Beedy Man and brother sing that song.
So you
brother used to make me tell you this bumbo clog. New night, every day you burn up your bumbo clog. Gangsta for life.
And the year thing?
And my song, I twist it back around and put it in the way.
So I'm not tell a lie on my youth.
Me not tell no lie. If Buff, right now if Clanny, Chris, or Buffa watch this, they can testify. Me used to be the artist in the way. In the way coming to the Kingston living.
So when Buff said here when he give Beedy Man the song?
I sing it over because the song is bad. Me and one bridge named Russian.
Also, be the man catch the melody, and catch the melody.
Catch the melody and flow.
Can you see once you can catch the melody and flow any song, you can twist up and turn that how you want.
As an artist.
And then once you big and do that, you can't do it again as a small artist.
I can't.
Man, I was say, yo, be the man, don't make that flow there.
Done. So you can't say my song.
You can't say your song, man.
Yeah.
But one thing is important in music, you can't make a man catch your flow.
That's what I feel good.
You can't make a man catch your flow and your melody.
Yes.
You can't catch your flow and your melody. They will just twist up the song and put in them little thing in it.
And you got it right. Call them up a name and you don't have none.
Yeah, you don't have none, yeah.
But enough artist song.
Yeah, man,
you know, like,
that's that, yeah.
You want to say, my song still, and I'm hearing with it, so, the song like my song, so. So, because the studio, I say, yo, me hear one song just like my song, you know. And the man say, oh, yeah,
different
run it. Some of the words in there, different words.
But that's the melody, what time I get your melody,
the melody and the flow is mine.
Done.
And some of the words, them, are mine.
Yeah.
So, I say, no, sir. And the man goes, boom, I'm going to find this song and play, because remember, so we are Alliance artists, you know.
Yeah.
Alliance, because they tell the Vybez Kartel Alliance, move forward and be a man.
Yeah.
And then, be the man and something there. And Bounty Killer there, Vybez.
Yeah, in a Vybez, yeah.
So they might throw over each other, say, use the song and throw. Yeah, for the man them. But the thing is now, Vybez Kartel and Bounty Killer is split.
Yeah.
So when teacher and Bounty Killer split, me never respond about them split. I don't respond about them beef, because in the day, we still Reggae Kartel.
Yeah.
But in the day, we are alliance, you understand? We move all of them there. So things that are weird now, when people start a pre-way.
Yeah.
See, yo, one easy flex. Anywhere we go, come, we used to go up on the landfill, go buy scrap metal.
Yeah.
And when you buy scrap metal, you have a set of money over this stuff. I say, yo, no alliance money or stuff. So it's a bad money, you understand?
Yeah.
Real gangster them. I see you know no easy flex money over here, so no alliance over here, so. So through me a JOP man still know. Differently, you know. Cause then tell the idol I'm an artist now, even though you know.
Yeah.
Yo, I used to DJ like idol, you know. People see you now a boss now, change your flow. So like too much doing now boss. Some say I idiot, the man must boss.
Yeah.
I look on it now. Enough artists me say a boss and say now a boss. Like Massacre. The man is Massacre now boss, you know. And music carry Massacre CD and song I play, you know, man.
Yeah.
From country to town.
Yeah.
Me I play, when me there country I play Massacre, old cheers sent me here in the place. Them man they don't believe in a Massacre, they don't even want to hear who that.
Yeah.
You understand? So I say I do them artist, but I eat a bad.
Yeah.
I used to go play them, song them. Cause Massacre used to have some bad freestyle. It's them like a lyrical content to him have.
Yeah.
You see, cause I'm a lyrics man myself. So yeah man, we not like so slip we part ways man, because we not really part ways, this thing split, you know. Bounty Killer over has to move on them, Kartel over this so Black Rhino them. You know, Selected and start take side.
Yeah, what is that take side?
Yeah, but we got Limelight now, it costs few still. The thing get
Limelight half a tree that's
half a tree, cause we used to link up a half a tree, even Alkaline them. Cause so come we know them.
Like every week, every Friday night or
every Friday.
Yeah.
Every Friday we used to link up a half a tree, Friday evening. So we used to, as I'm saying, we used to pack container and buy scrap metal. So beard and fresh up and thing on Friday evening and clean. Link up a half a tree bus park. So anybody who know half a tree bus park, big up on yourself.
Big up.
Yeah man, we used to link up.
Yes, slogan, so back to Kartel thing you know.
Yeah, back to that.
So what you say, you think you might go get free or what you think?
Yeah man, you might free now. Cause he beat the case of England.
Yeah, so now he might forget bail.
People say him not get bail, but he might get bail.
He might forget bail because once he actually, so if they might retry the case, he might forget bail and now.
Because kind of 15 years already.
It will take a while.
Yes.
They can't get up and just say you're retrial tomorrow.
No.
So they have to grant bail because...
They don't grant him bail.
They have to grant him bail because why they have to grant him bail? Because why? He win the case.
Yes, man.
Improve say how, you know what I mean, the case never fair.
And then tamper with evidence.
So...
It's what AI do. AI can use anybody, and this happened before the word AI.
Yeah, people even know about it like that.
Long time. People use people's voice and mimic.
Yeah, I mean...
They can use your voice, my voice, and mimic. And make it sound like a we are do the talking. Look how much they do the Tamale already.
Yeah.
They do the time there. Make it sound like Tamale Sparta. A cry say people that are hurt him.
Yeah.
Not even him. Then due to enough artist voice just so the internet stay. People go on it to make a money or they want to cause controversy. Because controversy sell.
Yeah.
So you do anything to cause attraction. Everyone is looking clouds.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, it might be the case now.
Yeah, family, so we look out for Kartel come on road. Meanwhile, in case I got 2 trial more
Yeah.
that road.
Yeah, man.
And we are look out for you know what I mean, I can just imagine when Kartel get bail and come on road, dog. What got man Jamaica? What do you think?
If Kartel get bill and come on road right
Jamaica economy I got boots.
Boom. You know what? If you get bill today on their road, just look out for National Stadium to be packed anytime soon.
People are flying and are flying.
People are flying from every different part of the world.
Interview, I say a lot of
DJ Khaled, me know I'll link up. Jay-Z I'll link up. Chris Brown, Tiger, the whole of them are link up because they've been trying to get to him to do albums and stuff. So everyone have a link up.
What about his health? But I'm in a good health now, you know.
Yeah, for real, he's been having health issues.
Yeah.
But the reason why people is knowing about it now is because they're locked away. You understand? And it's hard for him to get access to. They might try to kill him in jail. No, they might try to kill him, man. Food poisoning and all these things.
All of these things.
They tamper with him food, tamper with him stuff them, lock him up behind him will. Because in jail he's supposed to get certain time free to go out.
Yeah.
And you can see a doctor.
Once you have like a proving that you're actually sick.
Yeah.
True. So the man feels swell up and all of that thing.
Yeah, man,
so
yeah, man.
He's supposed to get special treatment, but maybe they want, as I say, they want him dead in a
They will try do everything they can do, but they know if they get rid of him, it'll bust outside this happen. You understand? People are gonna know, say, okay, if they kill him tomorrow, they might know what happened. They might know why him dead, how him dead, negligence, you understand, and stuff like that. They don't want to take that blame. Or they don't want the world come down for that one person. So much try to do everything sneakingly to try to get rid of him. But he's going to be free soon, I hope. And yeah, man, stop make people trickle about oh, Lizard Star. Mr. Mandela in the Caribbean. If I can do here and know that, what about them who in the business? They know what go on. Different type of name and I search for the wrong name.
Alright, family, so we got what the title for this video now? Like I said, Lizard is in the Caribbean.
I don't want to call Steve name because they want to search for the wrong name. Until me get the right name, I'll go on it. You know, I'm not going into it because I don't want to come off of me. Because me a yard the same way, I still got a yard.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, family, so if you're going through any health issues, go to veganchoicefoods.com.
Yes, sir.
Check out some new food, check out some herbs, change your diet, and boom, you get rid of anything, family. So
we're going to go on a cleanse.
Yeah.
A 10-day, 14-day cleanse.
Yeah.
2 weeks, 14-day cleanse.
Only
Starting from
juice.
tomorrow.
No food.
No, I eat food, no, but the healthy food. Yeah. You can do all the juice if you want, but we have to cleanse, like juice cleanse still. So
Yeah.
jump to her and mix up in remedy, all the remedy that you have, to show you guys his products so you can go online and buy him stuff. So we're going to be drinking it and you guys can see the result.
Yeah.
You understand? Hear the result also.
Yeah,
so you
fam.
can know if it work or not.
Yeah, your colon is very important. Have a clean
Very important.
Got to have to be clean, and we have the herbs.
All the time.
Alright, family, so you know what I mean, we say this.
What I want to say to the people also is drop your comments. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Is Vybez Kartel going to be free? Or is Vybez Kartel not going to be free?
Or he's gonna die in jail.
No, he's not going to die in jail. He's not going to die in jail. No, be out. I hope say he's a good artist now. And not just because the artist. You have his bad ways, but also a good person. Because a whole heap of people in make eat food. Him help a lot of people. They always try to go for those who try to help and be good. Like look on Marcus Garvey, Bob Marley, Malcolm X.
Yeah.
Name the rest and then go down the line. All great man them try to fall. As long as they try to help, they try to break you.
Alright, family. Any last word slogan?
Remember, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this. Drop your comment. Tell me what you think. You understand? And at least we get this video out so you guys can hear what go on. Any more video, anything you want me to talk about from Jamaica, you
drop
can
it in
ask
the
us.
comments.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, anything as
Anything.
a Kenyan, African, anywhere there in the world.
Yeah, man.
I want to know because me and Slogan have something in common.
Yeah.
We come directly from Jamaica.
Directly.
We're not from the US, we're not from nowhere.
We're not from America, yes, as I said, Canada,
you know what I mean?
England, directly from Jamaica to
directly
Africa.
from Jamaica to Africa. So we never
man.
like crossbreed.
No, really, our crew didn't crossbreed. Crossbreed?
Yeah, we're not hybrid.
Yeah.
We are real native Jamaican who come
Yeah, man.
from in the street.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Straight
family.
up.
So we have the Jam Tours Africa channel. go and check it out. If you want to relocate to actually Africa, I'm actually in Kenya right now.
Yes.
I've been to Ghana, Tanzania, and we really want to make some trip
Keep it
around
going.
East Africa.
Straight.
But we want to stop with African passport. So we're there with our African passport. Once we get the passport, we're going to show you what we're going.
Because we love Africa, you know.
Africa.
Africa love us.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so we have to show appreciation. Cause a lot of people not doing that. Show appreciation to other countries.
Most people at Jamaica, them talk about Africa, but them not visit.
No artists.
Yeah, I mean, and them have the money and the resources. And all them do are just actually, I say piggyback.
Yeah, man.
Piggyback on the word Africa.
Yeah.
And them now come do something.
They know what because enough of them see what Africa for real and Africa been the same. They for them.
Yeah, them don't know that say people rate them over here. So if they come over here.
Yeah.
And build a
community. Jamaicans love Africa overall.
Yeah, well,
we sing about it from a long time, we write about it, we teach about Africa, we talk about it. But some people like to come here, but a lot of people don't even know that it's easy to come.
Yeah.
Just get yourself in order, get your money in order. You don't have to be rich to come here. Cause look at us, we're not rich enough.
Yeah.
We're just doing our business. I will just travel to see how we need to go on the continent, and we're still here. So big up Africa and big up the Caribbean. All Caribbean country, not just Jamaica, but we neighboring country like Haiti, Trinidad,
Barbados,
yeah, man, Dominican Republic, and the whole heap more, Bermuda,
Trinidad,
all these places.
Yo, me also want to do a Caribbean tour in the dog. That was my first goal. Me I say, yo, me die Jamaica.
True enough.
In a COVID time, I say, if it was for COVID, would have toured the Caribbean already, but with the Africa stuff, Africa tour we are deal with.
Yeah, man, the pandemic mashed up a lot of things.
Yeah, man,
even me was supposed to go to a few places and I couldn't go because no airline, no into any countries, and that's the destiny for sure. South Africa, I'm for there.
Yeah.
Come from there, I feel good.
Been
trying
so free.
So good.
But fam, we're gonna do another video and tell us how some of the things that we like about Africa and what we hate about Jamaica. The similarities. And all of these things, so you guys can understand what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so certain things would not be would happen in Jamaica. I just want to share them with you. And based on our experience when anything happened to us, our everyday movements, how them take care of it, how them deal with it.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So, yeah, family. So, one love, God bless. Jam Tours Africa.
One love, God bless. One love, Africa. Make sure you see you follow Jam Tours.
Yeah.
Check him out. You understand?
We are.
Are we that?
Are we that? You see that? Are we that?